If you like the wide body look but you don't want to go wide body, this is the bumper for you. Just released, we have the front and the rear bumper, the 2020 look wide body for all narrow bodies. Part number for the front bumper is BC102462, and part number for the rear is BC102463. And what's cool about our kit, also our rear, it's compatible with our wide body rear diffuser. The part number BC102166. And let's say if you plan on upgrading your look on your S60 old base models, you can might as well upgrade your exhaust system. We also have the exhaust system available for the 3.4 liters old V6, both for the Challenger and Chargers. And whether or not you like to go with a single or dual, quad or dual. So yeah, they're available right now for pre-order. So make sure to get yours now before, I mean, we'll have them in stock, but I know for sure they'll fly out. And as always, guys, we'll see you guys next time.